What is a zine? You might ask yourself, how is a zine different from a magazine? Isn't a zine the shorter version of a magazine? Well, not really. Let's clarify the main difference between zines and magazines. A magazine is quite an easy concept to define because we've all read one at least once in our lives and we're very familiar with this type of publication. Historically, zines have been around since 1776 when Thomas Paine self-published Common Sense and used it as an informal instrument to promote ideas that contribute to the U.S. war for independence. You see, zines are in no way mainstream. Fast forward to the 1970s when zines were used to promote punk music. It was a time when this type of new music received very little interest from the mainstream press music. There are no written rules when it comes to creating your own zine. Magazines may be focusing on selling advertising space and making a profit, while zines are mainly created for spreading bold, strong ideas. We have here at Flipsnack a lot of zinesters who like to share their work with the entire world. And you can easily create your own e-zine using one of our many templates or upload your own PDF. Zines are the fastest way for writers to produce self-published work. If you're really passionate about something and want to make your voice heard, creating a zine is the right way to start sharing your ideas with the entire World Wide Web.